When I told my family I make money from memes, they looked at me like I just said I sell air for a living. They said, "That's not a real job." But here's the truth. In a world where attention is currency, meme editing became my first online paycheck. Not from luck, not from followers, but from understanding how humor and timing can pay bills. This is how I turned something people laughed at into something people paid for. It all started with chaos, low-quality memes, random sound effects, and a dream powered by zero sleep. I was just a broke kid with a phone, Wi-Fi, and questionable editing taste. I'd spend hours crafting the perfect meme that got 5 likes, and 1 angry comment from my cousin. At that point, I wasn't an editor. I was a comedian with a render button. But here's the funny part. While everyone else was doom-scrolling, I was studying what made people laugh. The pauses, the zoom-ins, the timing of a punchline. I realized memes were more than jokes. They were data with a sense of humor. And whoever could master that language could turn laughter into income. My first breakthrough came when a small brand messaged me, "Hey, can you make a meme ad for our product?" I had no idea what I was doing, but I said yes. They paid me $10. It wasn't much, but it was proof that digital creativity has value. Then came gaming pages, crypto projects, and random influencers who needed content that actually kept people watching. And suddenly, meme editing became a business. I didn't need fancy gear. I just needed internet humor and timing sharper than a tax deadline. Over time, I noticed patterns. The memes that performed best told the truth, the kind people secretly related to. I wasn't just editing. I was translating human emotion into humor, and people were willing to pay for that skill. The shift happened when I stopped chasing virality and started chasing mastery. The real win wasn't the likes. It was the freedom of making money from creativity. I stopped thinking like a content consumer and started thinking like a creator. Instead of asking, "Will people like this meme?" I asked, "Will this connect emotionally?" That mindset changed everything. Memes are modern storytelling. Fast, funny, unforgettable. The moment I realized I could monetize my humor, I stopped treating it like a hobby. The internet doesn't care about your degree. It cares about your creativity. If you can make people feel something, laughter, surprise, curiosity, the algorithm rewards you. Attention is the new gold, and memes are the pickaxe. Most people scroll for dopamine. I scroll for research. The broke mindset consumes. The rich mindset observes. People underestimate humor. Humor builds connection, and connection builds value. That's why brands use memes now. Not just to be funny, but to be strategic. The same thing that makes people laugh can make you money if you understand timing, culture, and human behavior. Meme editing isn't just a skill, it's a mindset. You start to see patterns in everything. Trends, reactions, emotional triggers. The broke mindset says, "I can't make money online." The creator mindset says, "I'll make people laugh first. The money will follow." Because when you create emotional value, your audience becomes your opportunity. Every viral meme is a mirror, saying what people wish they could say. And the creator who captures that emotion wins attention. Memes teach marketing, timing, storytelling, all while making people laugh. That skill will never go out of style.